Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Green Dot app. So let's get started. So to download and install the Green Dot app, you have to follow this instruction. So at here you have to go, and here at the search bar you can directly search your Green Dot app. Okay, so if you are an Apple user, then you have to open your Apple store. If you are Android user, you can directly search on a search bar, or you can directly use your Play Store as well. So here I am using my Google. Okay, so I will directly go to Google, and at here I will directly look for Green Dot app. So here I can see Green Dot mobile banking app. So I will just click on here. So from here I can directly click on the install button and install the app in my phone. So by this way you can just download the install the Green Dot app, and if you scroll down you can see the ratings and review as well. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.